You probably use electricity on a daily basis to turn on the lights in a room or to watch TV. Did you know there are other different kinds of ways to power something other than electricity? Today, we're learning about different kinds of power sources. Have you ever heard of renewable energy? Comment yes or no in the comments below. Renewable energy is clean energy that doesn't run out, like the sun. Using renewable energy is also better for the environment because it doesn't cause pollution or produce waste. Using energy from the sun to power something is also called solar power, and it's the most environmentally friendly power source. You capture solar power with solar panels. Sunlight is caught by the solar panels and converted into usable electricity by the inverter. This can then be used to power appliances in your home directly or stored in a battery for use later when the sun is not shining. Another power source is water, which is also called hydropower. By building a dam or barrier, a large reservoir can be used to create a controlled flow of water that will drive a turbine, generating electricity. In September's GIGIL STEM kit, you can learn more about water power by building your own water wheel. Another power source of clean energy is wind. Wind power describes the process of wind being used to generate power or electricity. Wind turbines convert the energy of wind into mechanical power. You can experiment hands-on with wind power with activities in our Power Sources STEM kit. If you could power your house with renewable energy, what would you choose? Solar power, hydropower, or wind power? Comment your answer below. Order our Power Sources STEM kit at gigglestemkits.com and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more stimulating videos.